Hello and welcome back, friends, in another episode of Learn Agro. Today we will be growing the radish of cherry giant variety. Basically, they are fast growing, easy to grow, and can be planted multiple times in a growing season. Here you can see the seeds. I'm making the rows to plant those seeds in here. Put the seeds quarter to half inch deep into the soil, and they are basically 1 to 2 inch apart from each seed. You just need to place a single seed. You don't need to place multiple number of seeds at the same location, and just cover the seeds like that. These seeds can sprout at the temperature as low as 45 degree Fahrenheit and as high as 80 degree Fahrenheit. Now thoroughly water them up so that all the seeds will get wet and they will be ready for the germination. After 20 days, you can see they have grown multiple number of leaves, and I have added some compost in them so that they can grow more vigorously and in a more healthy way. So here you can see they have grown pretty much well. Almost all of the seeds has sprouted and they are growing very nice over here. Basically, they love sandy, well draining soil that is rich in compost because the roots grow stronger and better easily in that soil. So checking after 50 days, you can see this radish plant has grown very nicely. The compost that I have added in them, that has worked perfectly. You can see the beautiful radish has appeared in them. They are just amazing. All you need to do is that you need to plant them in a place where there is plenty of sunlight, from 4 to 6 hours of sunlight, and you need to give good amount of water to them so that the soil doesn't get dried and they can absorb as much water from the soil as they can. I'm letting them to grow more. Checking after 60 days, this is the harvest day. So here you can see they have grown very nicely. Beautiful healthy leaves, beautiful radish has grown in them. So my wife is ready to harvest them. She loves them. And just taking the radish which have grown very nicely, and you can see that they are fully ready to be harvested. And you can see the plant has also, the leaves are also very healthy. Just plucking up some of the beautiful healthy radish out of the garden. She is just loving the harvest. Look at the radishes. They are very beautiful in color and they must be very tasty. I hope so. One thing I would like to add more is that you need to give them plenty of water in alternate of 2 to 3 days, and there should be good sunlight, as well as you need to give them a good compost for the better and the healthy growth and faster yield of radishes. Here in the pot you can also grow the radishes if you don't have enough space at your home. So you can see in the pot also they are doing quite better. You can just plant as many pots as possible and just keep them in the sunny spot, and hopefully they will do better. So friends, in this way you can grow radish at your home in very easy way. There is no hard work, and during the spring season you can make 2 to 3 harvests at a time, and you can keep harvesting by planting the seeds every 2 weeks, so that you can harvest the older one and the new one will keep growing. So in this way you can grow radish at your home. If you have any queries, please comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. I hope you like my video. Please do share it, give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you and see you again.